Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Take out your SST textbooks. As we have studied about 4 regions of Pakistan, today we will start our 5th region, which is called as coastal region. Now, what is meant by coastal region? Coastal means near to the coast. Near to the coast. Coast is the part of land which is present near the sea or near any water body. The coastal areas of Pakistan are in Sindh and Balochistan. They are on the shores of Arabian Sea. Shore means edge. As you can see, this is coastal area and it is present at the edge of, this is Arabian Sea. Coastal area is present at the edge of the Arabian Sea. The two main ports of Karachi and Gwadar are on this coastline. Ports means a town or city with a harbor. Harbor means a place of a coast where ships are loaded and unloaded. So the two main ports means where the ships are loaded and unloaded for different purposes. These two ports of Karachi and Gwadar are on these coastlines. The main vegetation means the main crops of the area is mangrove forests. Look at this. This is the picture of mangrove forest. These mangrove forests are the breeding ground for crabs, shrimps and a great variety of fishes. Means that these are the breeding ground. Breeding ground means where we can raise different type of animals and others. So they are breeding ground of crabs, shrimps and great variety of fishes. Crabs and shrimps are usually crustaceans, means that they are present in the sea and oceans. Let me show you the picture of crab and shrimp. Look at this. This is crab and this is shrimp. The majority of people in these areas are engaged in fishing. Engagement, they are busy in fishing, which is an important industry. The temperature in the coastal region is moderate. Moderate means normal. There is not so much difference between maximum and minimum temperatures. Means there is not so much difference between high temperature and low temperature. A sea breeze blows throughout the summer. Sea breeze means gentle wind. A gentle wind of sea blows throughout the summer and the humidity is high. Humidity means amount of water vapors in the air. May and June are the hottest months. Winter is pleasant but short. There is very little rainfall. Iran has a similar coastline on the shores, means on the edge of Caspian Sea and Arabian Sea. This is Arabian Sea and this is Caspian Sea. Fishing is an important industry on their coastline. The mangrove forest on this coast provide many varieties of marine life. Many varieties means different types of marine life, means sea life, means different type of sea animals. The beautiful beaches are very popular as holiday resorts. Beach is usually seaside and resort means a place which is frequent for holidays. Now, as we have completed the 5 regions, now let me give you some tasks. Take out your workbooks. Take out page number 2. The question is, on the world map, circle the following countries which share the same characteristics as our physical regions, like Bhutan, Turkey, India, Australia and Iran. Now you have to circle these countries on the map. Look at this, like I have searched and circled these countries, so you have to find out these countries' names and you have to circle them. Now take out next page. Okay, now look on the map, highlight the physical regions with the given colors. For example, mountainous region, plateau region, plains region, desert region and coastal region. You have to color these regions according to these colors. For example, we have studied that plateau region is located in Balochistan, so you have to color Balochistan with light brown. So this is your homework. I think this is enough for today. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.